If a Trello Power-Up isn't working, you might see features not loading, buttons missing, or integrations failing to respond. Yeah, this usually happens because of browser issues, permission settings, or temporary service glitches. But don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll show you several fixes that usually get your Power-Ups working again. First, try refreshing your Trello board. Sometimes Power-Ups fail to load properly due to temporary glitches, and a simple refresh can fix it. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Power-Ups rely on external services, so a weak connection can prevent them from loading. Another effective fix is turning the Power-Up off and then enabling it again. This resets the integration and can resolve loading or syncing issues. If the Power-Up requires external access, like Google Drive or Slack, make sure permissions are granted properly. Missing permissions can stop the Power-Up from functioning. If the issue continues, clear your browser cache and try disabling extensions. Some extensions can interfere with Power-Up scripts and block features. And finally, check Trello's server status. Sometimes outages or integration issues can affect Power-Ups across all users. And that's it. One of these fixes usually gets Trello Power-Ups working normally again. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech tutorials.